All right, thanks for stopping by. What we're looking at here is a Singer Model 66 made in 1954. It is a straight stitch only machine. It does have reverse here. This is your stitch length selector, and all the way up is reverse. This model doesn't have a way to lock in your stitch selection, so it does have numbers on each side here to kind of remember which stitch length that your project requires. And then over here is where your bobbin goes in. This is a class 66, so it takes class 66 bobbins, which are readily available on Amazon or eBay. And over here is where you wind your bobbin. You basically, well, we'll get to that here in a second. But I want to show you just how it sews. I've gone through it top to bottom, cleaned it out, re-lubricated everything, set everything back to factory specifications, so it's working beautifully. Let's go ahead and step on the pedal here. Go a little backwards and forwards. You can tell it's very smooth. Even the hand wheel, when you turn it by hand, it just has a very smooth feel with that all metal construction, all metal gears and levers inside. None of that nylon stuff. Very smooth, very strong machine. All right, let's give it another whirl. And plus we'll try to go a little slower. Very nice, very smooth. Beautiful stitches. We'll take a little look around the machine. Have your light is right here, and you can't. A lot of people replace these with LEDs to keep it cooler, which is nice. And let's see. Go ahead and unplug it over here. Run around to the nose of the machine. And of course, here again is where your bobbin is. You push this little lever here. Your bobbin lifts up so you can get it out easy. These machines are very easy to maintain. There's holes on the top to where you put in a drop of oil. It's always important to use sewing machine oil and not WD-40 or 3-in-1 oil, because that oil will gunk up the machine. So you oil the top, and then you get to take this nose plate off here. This slides off. Then basically anywhere, turn the wheel, anywhere you see anything moving, just put a drop of oil. Easy as that. Just kind of blow out any debris and stuff like that. Super easy. Same goes with the bottom. You just take the machine out of this wooden base, lay it down on its side, and turn the wheel, put a drop of oil anywhere you see a moving part, and you're good to go. Now this base I did make out of poplar wood. It's nothing special, but it is solid, and it does hold the machine well. I have these little grooves on the side, so it's easy to get under there and lift it up. And on the back here, we got your light and your motor here. It's a very nice motor. It's a, let's see, 0.53 amp motor. Very big and very powerful. The belt's in great shape. There's two little posts here on the side. I don't know if you can see that, little metal posts. And there's a little hole in the top where you put a drop of oil in there. I would not oil the motor as much as you oil the whole machine. I'd just do this maybe once a year, once every 2 years, and just put up one drop in each. Don't put a bunch of oil in the motor, because keep it going good. And let's see. Here's the side of the machine where the plug goes in. And let's find that plug. The plug looks like it may have came from another machine, because this is brown, this is black, so this must have been pulled from a different machine, but it just plugs in right here. So this is the plug that goes to the wall. This is your pedal, and just kind of wiggle it in there, shove it in. That's how it goes in. And then the pedal that comes with it is the original pedal. It's wired directly into the motor. And that's the pedal right there. Very nice. So like I said, everything's been fully serviced and it is ready to sell. So thanks for checking out the video.